What's going on, guys, and welcome to another video. Today is a special one. We are going to the famous Guinness Lake, one of the most beautiful places in Ireland. Check it out. And 1 and 2 and 3. I think it's so important for us to get out, breathe some fresh air, explore new places, get lost in nature. And if you are watching this and you live in Ireland, I mean, you have some really incredible spots to keep visiting, not only once. I mean, here we are at the Guinness Lake, but I'm sure if I come in 1 month time to the same place, I'll still have some roads to explore, some paths to explore that I haven't explored today. So please, guys, get out there, breathe some fresh air and do some movements in the open. Hey guys, can you see what a wonderful place this is? Photography, here we are.
Okay, go back, man. This
Professional girl. After a long day of moving and filming, it's time to eat, guys. let's get an amazing lunch. And here we are at home, guys, after a really incredible day. Amazing hikes, walks, beautiful viewpoints. It was very nice, but also tiring. My legs, they feel a little bit stiff, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of stretching, a little bit of mobility to open up my lower body mostly, and then we'll have dinner, and that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll leave you to my mobility training, and I'll see you in the next episode.